Welcome back to the Craftsman's Works. Today on the workbench we have this Rawlings Heart of the Hide Pro AR3. This is a model glove that I really do love. I need to find one for myself, and this color combination is probably my favorite color combination of all gloves. So be sure you stick around to the end and see how great this one comes out. And I know we talked about Roger Clemens and his chances of getting into the Hall of Fame the other day. The AR3 on this glove stands for Alex Rodriguez. This is a model that was designed by him, although he didn't always use it in games. Do y'all think Alex Rodriguez has a shot at the Hall of Fame? Leave a comment, let me know. But this glove's going to get cleaned up really well. We're actually going to end up cleaning it and removing that palm stain, because after cleaning, we're going to go ahead and repaint all the lettering on this glove, including the bull there in the middle of the palm, that Heart of the Hide bull. And then after cleaning, it's going to get conditioned with the leather spot cleaner like always. And then it's going to get relaced with kind of a darker tan. It's called Japan tan on the laces. It looks really great against this black leather. And then, of course, it's going to get finished off with some glove salve for some more conditioning and protection. And then this glove's going to be ready to go. So be sure you let me know how you think this glove came out. Let me know if you think A-Rod's going to make it into the Hall of Fame. And now kick back, relax, and enjoy the restoration of this Rawlings Pro AR3.